All right, so I like to spend a lot of attention in my garden. And for me, it's really important that if I'm spending money on nice plants, I don't want to have any transplant shock. I don't want to spend all this nice money and then have them die on me. So I like using this Hormex vitamin B1 and hormone concentrate. One, it's a concentrate. It's not going to take up a lot of room in my garage, and it's going to go a long way. What's wonderful about this is it helps with transplant shock, so I'm not going to worry about that plant dying as quickly. But here's the thing too, even if you're not transplanting and you're using some of your ongoing mature plants anyways, the vitamin B1 and the other vitamins in here are going to keep your root development strong and going to give you such a strong foundation for your plants. Now, this is how easy it is to use. So you're just going to take off the cap. You're going to have about a 5-gallon bucket, or if you're using a watering can, just figure out the math with the 5-gallon bucket. You're going to pour about 1 to 2 teaspoons in here, and then I'm going to shake that up. And I'm going to do this once a week, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this is on my new plants. I'm going to get them lots of water, and I'm going to do this once a week until these are really strong, and make sure that my newly transplanted plants are just going to thrive. So if you're looking for a way to make sure you have less transplant shock and also get really strong root development, get yourself some of this Hormex concentrate. You're not going to be disappointed.